Well, myself, Dr. Firdaus, I am working in GTC Boys Baramla as a lecturer in the Department of Electronics. Today, I will show you the component list that is very essential for the design of any advanced project, that is advanced science. Fine. I will show you the list one by one. This is simply the multimeter that can be used to check the signals, or simply that can be used for the troubleshooting, or we can check the various parameters by simply using this multimeter. This is simply echo sensor. It has both transmitter as well as receiver. Transmitter that can generate sonic signals, and finally those can be reflected back by if they can touch any object. And this is simply the receiver that can receive the signals and can generate the echo signal, and with the help of this echo signal we can control anything. And finally, this is the stepper motor that can be directly connected with this UNO board and can be used for the different applications. And these are simply the relays. That is, with the help of 5 volt we can control 220. That is simply 5 volt can be used to control AC signal. DC can be used to control AC. And this is infrared sensor. And this is simply photo detector. Usually it can detect the infrared signals. So this is simply the component list that I'm showing you here. And in my next video, inshallah, I will show you the project one by one. That is my first project that will be regarding fire alarm detection, as well as how to extinguish that fire by simply using this board. This board is simply called as UNO board or Arduino board, and this Arduino is directly connected via cable to the laptop that is shown here. And we have wrote here basically the program, and with the help of this program we can control the functions. That means this program can be directly loaded into the controller, and this can then perform the specific applications. So these are simply the component list, and this is driver that can be used to control the stepper motor in different directions, and these are fire alarm sensors. So as I already told you that fire alarm detection as well as extinguish, that can be used both the sensors. These are simply the various resistors that can be used to control during AC, that can be controlled by simply DC, in which we can use the transistor, that is either 541 transistor, or simply we can say NPN transistor. That is in my hand. You see, this is the transistor. So this is all about the component list that we can show one by one in our projects. So my first project that will be fire alarm detection. Thank you.